Hi guys, welcome to WIGS, where we create your perfect image and where beauty meets passion. Guys, I have this wig. It's a 3x3 wig. It has a blend of color cutting and color black. Guys, look at this finishing. It looks so dope, guys. This looks like your scalp. This finishing looks like your skin. Let me put it here and you see what I'm telling you guys. Look at this. This is how this frontal looks, guys. Look at this. It looks so real. It looks so real. And this wig is very, very light. When you wear it, it's very light. It's not heavy, that's what I mean. It's not heavy. It's very light. So guys, come and grab this wig. It's available for purchase. Yeah. I love it guys. We are only remaining with this, guys. Only one piece is remaining. So guys, come for it. Let's try it on a dummy. Oh, this is how it looks. Guys, come take this. Come grab this. So guys, don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at WIGS. Yeah. So very busy, guys. I want to show you something. These are the colors I tried yesterday night. I tried to mix them. We have here color pink, color purple, and color maroon. So I want to, how is the color, guys? Is it good or? So guys, these are the colors I mixed yesterday. These are the colors. So here we had the leftovers. So this is color maroon. I got it in short, but it's not that dark as I wanted it. This is pink. Guys, these braids are very sleek. Oh my god, Rocco, you have good braids. And this is color purple. So guys, should I mix them for you as you're seeing, guys? So that you can see where we got this from. Oh my god, I can't wait to try all these colors. So let me record for you to see how I came up with those colors here. But make sure you subscribe and make sure you click on the notification bell. Hi YouTube, what's up? Let me hope everyone is doing well. So guys, I'm in a shop. I'm in a wig shop. Guys, I showed you yesterday how I blended my colors. Let me first show you. These are the colors we came up with, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to try out these colors. These are the colors we bought. This is how our blend came out, guys. I can't wait to try out these new colors. So guys, let me show you this wig. So I've been working on this wig, but it's about to be done. It's like, this is how our blend came out, guys. I can't wait to try out these new colors. So guys, let me show you this wig. So I've been working on this wig, but it's about to be done. It's like, so guys, we also blended this wig with two colors, color black and color 30. This is the color we blended. This is the color we blended with black. This is color 30, and we add a little pinch. Guys, this is the color we blended with color black. So we had a little pinch of black in it. So that's why it looks like this. Guys, I'm about to finish this wig. We are remaining with this part, guys. How did the color came out, guys? Look at this wig, guys. It looks nice and it's very long. It looks nice and it's very long, guys. I love the color. Ooh, it's so the colors are dope. The colors are on point, guys. So guys, I have a lot of wig I want to.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever, we'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young,